I mean, horses are a big passion of ours, obviously, and have been our whole lives, both my wife and I both. My wife is an occupational therapist, a pediatric occupational therapist, and she has a passion for helping special needs children. And so if you combine those two passions, you have hippotherapy, and that's therapy for children involving horses. That's using a horse to do therapeutic exercises with the child, when you actually put the child on top of the horse. And they do different drills. I mean, it's pretty wonderful. I'm very proud of my wife, Cody. She's kind of taken the lead of this project. She basically has created what's called Hoofing It, which is an extension of the Bailey and Oliver Kids Foundation, where we're going to start offering hippotherapy services this spring here at the ranch. And so we look forward to offering that service to children and parents of children to come out, meet Chuckles, meet the other horses, meet Forrest, and watch a lot of those smiles. Cody and I have been, she more than me, but we've traveled to some other hippotherapy clinics as we're trying to learn what to do and how it works. And what we're learning, and we're going to duplicate it here, we look forward to the experience. So for an example, an exercise that a child may do in a room setting that you have a difficulty getting the child to do a particular exercise. Maybe it's fine motor skills or something along those lines. Out here, when it involves a horse, the child has done the drill or done the exercise and didn't even know it. It's wonderful. One of the things, talking about children, they work on their core and helping them to walk and develop their core strengthening. Riding a horse does that. And talking about using their hands, children being able to use their hands. We set up a little basketball goal, put a child on a horse, walk them past, and they have to throw the ball into the hoop. And the smiles, well, I'm not as trained as Cody is. That's what she does for a living. So what I see is a kid having fun shooting hoops, right? And smiling, giving high fives. What my wife sees is a child who wouldn't ordinarily use all of these muscles, their core strength muscles, a child who's having to use fine motor skills to use their hands together with eye coordination to put a basketball through a hoop. A challenge for this child that becomes a fun activity on Chuckles.